Good morning, everyone. I'm Meenakshi. This is Class 6, Unit 1, Management Code 70. So, we are going to start today on the new topic, that is organization structure and design. This is in Unit 1, we are covering topic by topic. So, ek OSDP, there's a topic, and then after that, there's some more topics, then we will complete Unit 1. So, organization structure and design, if we talk about one by one, what is organization structure? See, structure is something that we can see. It's like a foundation, okay? And if the foundation is weak, then organization structure would be weak. All right. So organization structure, if I talk about in a layman language, organization structure, it's like if we are building a house, the house is built, everything is set, and that is an organization structure. Like that is a structure. But design is that we design it prior. Okay, organization design is something that we design it previously, or like we design, if for a house we are designing, then if we design curtains, so many things like curtains, furniture, color, um, anything, and vehicles, and garden area, anything that we design it before, right? तो organization design is that we design पहले ही बहुत सारी चीज़ें, मतलब that is a more wider term, and organization structure is the design is already done and we've made something, and that is a organization structure. Now if we talk about in regarding organization purpose, organization structure is the system which describes the organizational hierarchy in terms of different functions, roles, responsibilities, supervision, etc. It also demonstrates different roles of employees, job description, job functions, decision-making authorities, reporting structure, etc. Alright? And it is a static process. Remember, it's important. Organization structure is a static process. Like it's immovable. It is made, then it is made. You cannot like when it is made, you cannot like restructure immediately, right? But you can restructure it in organization design. All right. Organization design, if we talk about it, is a plan or a blueprint that leads to specific organization structure. More precisely, organization design is a basic guideline, theme or theory that shapes final structure of the organization. It is a diagnostic process or methodology. Its purpose is to identify dysfunctional elements of company's procedures, systems, workflow, even its organization structure. Now, organization structure is a dynamic process. It's not static. It's not immovable. It is movable. It's like इसका जो काम होता है, मतलब it is more of it contains processes and methodologies कि हम ऐसा क्या करें कि organization structure में जो भी weaknesses हैं, it points out that, it removes that, and then उसको restructure करता है. ठीक है, so that is organization design. And then next would be one more line. It then make positive changes to help company meet its current goals. And remember, it's an ongoing process. एक बार स्ट्रक्चर हो गया, हायरार्की फॉर्म हो गई, अथॉरिटीज़ फॉर्म हो गई, सबको अपने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का पता चल गया, सबको अपने अपने फंक्शंस पता चल गए, तो ये कंटिन्यूसली जो है देखते रहते हैं कि मेथड्स एंड द प्रोसेसेस यूज़ करके they continuously watch it, monitor it, evaluate it, whether everything is going fine, and if it's not going fine, they remove it, and then they restructure it, redesign it. ठीक है, ताकि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर को हम टाइम टू टाइम इम्प्रूव कर पाए. Now it is of two types, centralized and decentralized. Centralized, as the name suggests, we've read it in the Fayol principles. It's like in this, all decisions as well as processes are defined and handled by the top management. The authority is centralized basically, and all the supervisors or the subordinates, middle level, lower level, they report to the top management. Top management has the highest authority. Decentralized में what is done is day-to-day tasks and the decision-making processes, they're delegated to the supervisors at the top and the middle and the lower level top management. Okay, decentralized is something the authority is delegated, so the top management remains free for some more major decisions. So जो middle and lower level पे जो authority delegate की जाती है, तो they are more responsible for like their subordinates. Like it saves time for the top management. नहीं तो in centralized, every time top management has to be. In small businesses it happens, centralized structure is there, but in big firms decentralized structure is there. Okay, then now there's a basic difference, a small difference between organization structure and organization design. वैसे तो they are interrelated. ऑलराइट, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होगा तो डिज़ाइन का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं, डिज़ाइन नहीं होगा तो स्ट्रक्चर का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं. तो दे बोथ आर इंटर रिलेटेड बट स्टिल दे हैव अ डिफरेंस. Organization structure represents organization in an immovable or static form that can be presented through a diagram called ornogram. Organization का एक स्ट्रक्चर जो है हम एक डायग्राम के थ्रू भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. लाइक हायरार्की, क्या हायरार्की है, कौन किसको जो है वो करता है, कौन किसको रिपोर्ट करता है, किसके पास कितनी पावर्स हैं, कितने सबऑर्डिनेट्स हैं. तो ये सब जो है हम एक स्ट्रक्चर के थ्रू, लाइक एक चार्ट के थ्रू हम प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. और उस चार्ट को क्या बोलते हैं? ऑर्नोग्राम. प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दैट. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डिज़ाइन रिप्रेजेंट्स अ डायनेमिक व्यू. अभी हमने पीछे ही पढ़ा. It is more of methods and processes which help in organization structuring and restructuring for smooth and effective functioning. Now there are some elements of organization design and structure. 6 key elements are organization design and structure. First is chain of command. Chain of command is like when something flows in a line. Okay, when the command flows in a line, authority and power flows from top to bottom, and employees और जो नीचे subordinates होंगे, they are responsible and accountable to the top level. So that would be chain of command. Then comes span of control. Span of control is, it refers to how wide is the area of the direct control of supervisors over their subordinates, which is directly related to how many subordinates report to supervisors, which in turn depends on the number of tasks performed at different levels. Like एक supervisors, there are some subordinates different भी हो सकते हैं, like areas के, and वो एक supervisor को कितने subordinates एक supervisor को report करते हैं. तो that is span of control. Then centralization, अभी हमने पढ़ा. Specialization, large organization divide. Specialization, large organization divides some of its functions based on the specialized areas, and so subtasks are defined in different tasks. Specialization is something specialized areas जब हम define करते हैं, मतलब एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में बहुत सारे स्पेशलाइज्ड डिपार्टमेंट्स बना दिए जाते हैं, स्पेशलाइज्ड एरियाज, स्पेशलाइज्ड फंक्शंस. ठीक है, तो उसके अंदर भी सब टास्क्स होते हैं. तो दैट्स स्पेशलाइजेशन. Formalization, as the name suggests, it is something when you do something in a written form. मतलब एक ऑफिशियली हम कुछ लिख दें, लिख कर किसी को इन्फॉर्म करें, ड्यूटीज़ दें, या जब कोई नीचे सबॉर्डिनेट्स तुम्हें इन अ रिटन फॉर्म तुम्हें प्रेजेंट करे, कुछ भी, एनीथिंग दैट इज़ इन अ फॉर्मलाइज्ड फॉर्म, दैट इज़ फॉर्मलाइजेशन. Refers to the process of specifying or mentioning rules, procedures, and duties to the employees as an individual, as well as to the teams, departments, units, and the whole organization by the managers in written form. Okay? Then comes departmentalization. Departmentalization is also like a specialization, dividing organization functions into different departments as per specialization of jobs or responsibilities, so that common tasks can be handled by specialized teams. जैसे स्पेशलाइजेशन था वैसे ही है थोड़ा सा. अब दो टाइप की होते हैं ये भी, रिजिड एंड लूज. रिजिड इज समथिंग जिसमें कोई इंटरेक्शन नहीं होती टीम्स के बीच में, ठीक है. लूज डिपार्टमेंटलाइजेशन, टीम्स आर फ्री टू इंटरैक्ट, ठीक है. तो दिस इज डिपार्टमेंटलाइजेशन. नाउ टाइप्स. अब टाइप्स भी होती हैं. देर आर टाइप्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर एंड डिज़ाइन. फॉर्मल होती है एक, फॉर्मल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर, and informal. Formal is something that includes well-defined structure of jobs, clears authority, functions, responsibilities in organization. ठीक है. And informal is something that focus more on humans or employees as compared to jobs. Like grouping ज़्यादा important है, आपस में बात करना. Informal, that is an informal organization structure. So this was all about organization structure and design, and I would put the images also in the description link. You can see that and you can make your notes also. So that is for today. Thank you.